Welcome back again, my dear friend. In this video I am going to show you how to fix camera not working or black screen issue on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can follow this updated method, easily fix it with just a few minutes. Let's get started. First of all, find the camera app on your phone, simply tap on hold it. After that, click on the app info icon to open the app info page. Then scroll all the way to the very bottom, open storage. Here you can see two options, clear cache, clear data. Tap on both options one by one to clear it. After it done, go back to the previous screen, scroll all the way to the very top, click on permission and make sure to all of important options set to allow. For the camera option is must be, you can set allow only while using the app or similar name. After it done, simply check it your problem work or not. If your problem is still, don't worry, maybe update related issue. This time you can check it. To do that, go to settings, use the search bar, simply search for software update. Once you found it, tap on it, then click on check for update or similar name depending on your phone model or Samsung One UI version. If you find any update option appear there, simply update your phone to the latest version. I am already updated my Samsung phone One UI 8.5. And once it's done, go back to your home screen, simply restart your phone. To do that, locate power button and volume down button on your device. Press and hold the both button at the same time. Then click on restart, tap on it again and wait to turn back on your phone. After your phone is turned back on, you can open camera and check it this time it works properly. That's it guys, you are done. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide will help you.